The Continuity Workshop is an educational program designed for all family members to gain a common understanding of what governance is about and about the challenges that enterprising families face in their developmental process. And why is the Continuity Workshop important? It's because when families are interested in pursuing continuity, which is the successful transfer of ownership to the future generation of family members, they need to engage in dialogues about how they're going to be in the future, what shape and form that future is going to take, what roles are they going to play, what is their ambition and their interest in terms of the growth and the risks they're willing to face, how are they govern all the future. So in order to engage in the dialogue, we need to prepare the family members for the dialogue. Now, some of those members have a role in the business, some of them are younger, some of them are not leaders, and the conversation are not just the responsibility of the leaders, it's a responsibility of the entire family. So preparing them for the dialogue is a fundamental part of the process to define a vision and to define the future together.